Did you know that the German bread culture was officially added by UNESCO to its Intangible Cultural Heritage list? It is because Germany has more than 3,200 types of bread, making it a paradise for food lovers. If you look at the shelves of a typical German bakery, you clearly don't want to miss out on them. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you useful phrases at the bakery, and make sure to stick around till the end of this video for real-life examples where I'm going to demonstrate what you're going to learn today. And if you really want to level up your German learning, then check out my free ebook, which is a 5-step guide on how to become fluent in German, where I go more in depth into the learning process. The link to download the free guide is in the description box below. If you are new here, hallo und herzlich willkommen bei Speak Fluent German. My name is Salome, and this channel is all about helping you build your confidence and conversation skills in German. So if this is what you're currently working on, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button for weekly content like this. Alright, los geht's! Alright, first of all, let's go through how to make your bakery order in German. A German bread roll is called das Brötchen. Repeat after me. Das Brötchen. There are so many different types of bread rolls that even Germans aren't sure about the names. Most of the time we just simply point at the ones we want and say, Ich hätte gern dieses Brötchen bitte. Ich hätte gern dieses Brötchen bitte. Here are the most common types that you'll find in a lot of bakery doughs, in case you want to take it one step further.
Das Roggenbrötchen, das Sonnenblumenkernbrötchen, das Käsebrötchen, das Käsebrötchen, das Fitnessbrötchen, das Kürbiskernbrötchen.
Alright, now if you want to buy bread, you'll ask for das Brot. Repeat after me. Das Brot. You can then say, ich hätte gern dieses Brot bitte. Ich hätte gern dieses Brot bitte. If you want them to cut it for you, you can ask, kann ich das geschnitten haben, bitte? Kann ich das geschnitten haben, bitte? And at the end, if you have completed your order, you can say, das war's, danke. Das war's, danke. Alright, now that we have learned the most important phrases, let's take a look at how a conversation at the bakery would look like in real life.
Hallo, ich hätte gern haben Sie zufällig Walnussbrot da? Nee, ne? Was ist das mit den Sonnenblumenkernen drauf?
Das ist Dinkel, bunte Dinkel.
Ich hätte dann gern ein Dinkel-Steinofenbrot.
Ein Stück oder Stein?
Kann ich das geschnitten haben, bitte?
Nein.
Ja. Da kommt noch was dazu. Ich hätte gern noch ein Kürbiskernbrötchen.
Also,
Ein Kürbiskernbrötchen, genau. Was ist das hier für ein Brötchen? Fitnessbrötchen. Dann ein Fitnessbrötchen. Das ist Sonnenblumenkernbrötchen, oder? Ein Sonnenblumenkernbrötchen, bitte. Was ist das hier für eins?
das ist Drogen.
Dann nehme ich noch ein Roggenbrötchen. Und ein Käsebrötchen noch, bitte. Das war's, danke.
Das macht
Ja. Hab's leider nicht kleiner. Danke.
Alright, if you want to learn more from me, I highly recommend checking out my free training for beginners, where I dive deep into the German pronunciation, essential grammar, daily life conversations, and a lot more. The link to register for free is in the description box below. If you have enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss any of my weekly lessons. Das ist alles für heute. Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen und bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!